What's the meaning of coronary thrombosis? Coronary thrombosis. Coronary thrombosis.
Coronary thrombosis. Coronary thrombosis. Coronary thrombosis is a condition where a blood clot forms in one of the blood vessels that supply oxygen and nutrients to the heart muscle. This can lead to reduced blood flow to the heart, which can cause chest pain, angina, shortness of breath, and even a heart attack. If left untreated, coronary thrombosis can be life-threatening. Treatment options for coronary thrombosis include medications to dissolve the clot or surgery to remove the blockage. Prevention strategies include lifestyle changes such as exercise, healthy eating, and not smoking.